Hi, it's me, Emma.
And Hayley.
And we are here to show you the onesies dance. It's our favourite dance.
Favourite.
Everyone can do this dance.
Absolutely.
Okay, we start with the step kick. Okay, so you just step one leg and then kick across your body. You could only really do this a few times, but you can do it as many times as you like.
It's very fun. Beautiful.
Okay, now this is what we call the washing. You hold each other's hands and then you wash, like a washing machine,
Yes.
right? And you just roll on through.
Here we go.
Okay, you ready, Hayley?
Ready?
Go. Roll.
Oh! Oh!
Excellent. And then this way.
Oh!
Okay, and then
Out.
out, in, and then out, and then
Out.
switch places.
Switch places.
Now, Hayley, we know this is your favourite.
I do love this part.
Hands up above your ears, and you just swing your hips to the side.
Lovely.
Lovely. Let's go back to the beginning. Ready? Switch
Okay.
places. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Step kick. And 2.
Yes.
And 3. And 4. Do the washing.
Wash it away.
Whoa. And wash it away.
Wash it away.
And out. And in. And out. Switch places. And 1, 2, 3. And down. Again. And step.
Kick.
Can't do it enough times.
Cannot.
Lovely.
And wash it away. Wash it away.
That was quick. Out and in and out.
Switch
Switch
it over.
places and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I
Oh, it's too
understand
good.
why Chilli and why Brandy do this all the time.
Such a good dance.
Such a great dance. Go do it with your mum, your dad, your
Have the
brother,
best time.
your sister, your granny. Come on, let's find the grannies. Let's go do it with the grannies. Hi, I'm Emma and I'm the big sister.
Hi, I'm Hayley and I am the little sister.
And today we're playing big sister.
Little sister.
Oh.
You.
Why?
Because you do. You're like, oh my gosh, look, a dog. Oh my god, a bear. Like, you're always distracted.
Hayley.
Me, and I know it. I'm aware of it.
At least you're aware. Little sister, very
I love a
competitive.
game. I love competition.
You do. We're
It's
not
a lot of
playing
fun.
ping pong today, Hayley.
No, well, if we were, who would win? Me. That's a tough one, and maybe that's it. Really? Yeah. Actually, you're probably right.
You
yeah.
are a lot more opinionated.
Yeah. You know, like to get things done.
See? Oh, easy.
100%. You hardly sleep.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
need it.
Yeah. Well, busy.
Busy,
Got
busy.
things to do.
Oh.
Is it a half
Yeah,
up? Yeah.
High five.
High five. This is both of us. Now, if this back couldn't be bigger, it should be. Oh,
Hayley.
100%. Absolutely me.
I don't even bother.
Oh,
Hayley.
100%.
There's a lot of this
Cannot
side.
do anything scary.
No.
No, no, no. Happiness only. Positive, rainbows. I'm good. Oh,
Aw,
you do.
sweet.
You do. You do.
You are taller.
I am taller, but I look up to you
Looking
all
up
the time.
and looking down.
What?
Excuse me.
Excuse
That was my
me.
favourite cake.
I know it's your favourite. Who's
birthday?
made it? Me.
Fair.
Thank
Fair.
you.
But who likes to eat it?
Exactly. Exactly.
Fun worms.
I'm gonna say.
Why?
I just
Why?
feel like
know
that's
what?
something that you would have.
Off you
Oh,
pop. Get out.
all right. Off
Get
I
out.
go.
Get
Fine. Fine.